Hey citizens, welcome back to Life with Sid. We're back, but today's unboxing video is a little different. Today's unboxing video is a technology unboxing video, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Sid. Welcome. Today's video is a little unboxing video, but it's a technology unboxing video. Yes, we will be unboxing the iPad Air 4th generation in rose gold, 256 gig. Came in this box, and we have an Amazon box as well, and this is the accessories. So we're gonna unbox this, we're gonna set it up, and we'll see how it works. Oh, and I have the pencil as well too. So we're gonna start off with unboxing the iPad. Here it is. Rose gold. Color. So let's just get her unboxed. So there's the iPad Air, and it comes with, you know, the little booklet that all iPads come with, say iPad Air, the little Apple stickers, and it comes with the USB-C plug, charger, and the wall adapter. Let's put this over here. So pretty. The last iPad I had was an iPad mini, and that was probably like the first generation. I don't even think I can update it anymore. That's how old it is. This is so pretty. And I got the rose gold because I have the rose gold MacBook Air. And now we're going to open the pencil. Now the pencil, I ordered the pencil the same day I ordered the iPad, and it was supposed to ship on the same day, and they didn't. So I wanted to do this unboxing. I didn't want to hold it any longer. So what I did was went to Best Buy's, and we picked it up curbside. I don't understand why it just didn't ship out. It just keeps saying an error with shipping. So this is the curbside sticker. I ordered it right from Best Buy's. Take that off. And the pencil. And I wanted this because, guys, I have notebooks all over the house, and I jot down notes and stuff like that. And, you know, with my long nails, I don't really like typing. You know, a lot of people say you could type notes in your phone, but I really don't like typing all the time because of my nails. I don't like the way it feels. I just don't. And I don't like typing. So I'm always writing in a notebook. and I have notebooks all over the place. So my husband's like, babe, why don't you just invest in an iPad, the new one, where you can have a pencil and you can write everything in your iPad. And when we travel, I don't use my iPad mini anymore because, like I said, I can't update it. I can't download that much stuff on it. So I said, you know what? This will work. When we travel, I can take this. I don't have to pull out my MacBook. So, and that's another reason why I purchased the 256 gig. And this is the 2nd generation pencil. All right, let's get it open. And then we're going to open the case so it just slides out just like this. Designed by Apple in California. And I guess this is all the instructions in here. Just a pencil on it. And yes, there's some instructions in different languages. But we can just YouTube it. Who reads instructions nowadays? You can just YouTube everything. So I'll just put these back in here. And here is the pencil in the box. And it's wrapped in plastic. Here is the pencil, and it just say pencil on it, which is so cool. All right, now let's open up the accessories before we even get it started. So I ordered a cover and a pencil cover from Amazon. So I hope everything is in this one box. So let's get this open. Oops. So let's get this open. So I have the cover. And I got it in the rose gold with the flap where you can make it into a stand. Super cute. It's more like on the pink side. I don't think it's really like rose gold. It has a little shimmer to it. I like it. Super cute. The color. So let's just place the iPad inside of here. I should have definitely bought the protective glass. I might be able to just grab one of those from Best Buys. So this will just slide in here like so. Nice and snug. And here it is. Alright, let's power this bad boy on. You know, I noticed too with this iPad, this one has 4 speakers. My mini didn't have 4 speakers. This one has 4 speakers and volume buttons on the side and the power button at the top. Let's just power it on and see. Music comes. There we go. Hello. Swipe up to open. I'm going to hit English. United States. We could do a quick setup. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPad to sign in a quick setup. Okay, so I have my phone here. And I'm pretty sure I have to unlock it. Yeah. Unlock says, look. You see that? Unlock to set up iPad. Then I continue. Hold your new iPad near it. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna hold it there. I was setting up pretty quick. Okay, enter your password to finish. Setting up, guys. This may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. So while that's activating, guys, let's open up the pencil cover. I'm not even gonna fight with this. Oh, okay. Wait a minute, it's telling me to set up Touch ID. I didn't know this had Touch ID. Lift your finger, place your finger again. Place your finger again. Cover the top of the button completely. Okay, it's done. Continue. Almost done. Fingerprint added. Continue. Alright, so it's setting up. Agree. It's setting up pretty fast. So let's get this open while we wait for that. Oh, this is pretty cute. It's like two different pinks. It's for the second generation. Can you guys see it? Super cute. Alright, so let's get this covered. I guess you just slide the pen in here, like so. Go snug. It tells you right here on the instructions. So it says wipe it with a wet wipe. I don't know why. I guess to get it to slip on. But and then slide the silicone sleeve slowly and squeeze. It's going on. Alrighty. So now it's on. Nice and snug. And it feels so smooth. See it? So smooth. And here's the top. So I'm backing everything up from my iPhone. So it's loading. So I can't wait to use my pen. I don't think I need to add cards to my iPad. I'm not going to be using my iPad to pay for anything. I'll set up Siri later. Okay, they sent me a passcode. Alright, so guys, I'll be back after it finishes restoring because this is going to take a few minutes. Okay, citizens, that is it for this iPad Air unboxing video. And if you're new here and you made it this far through the whole video, you might as well just hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time your girl upload a video, you could be what? You could be notified. Until next time, sis signing off. Peace. I don't know if I like that. Let me do it again. 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 All right.